Question number 5. ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं आपके असाइनमेंट में हैं, आप इसको करिएगा तभी आप समझ पाइएगा. इंग्लिश इज ऑन द होल वेरी वीक फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. और जिस तरह के मार्क्स आप लोग लाए हैं, बहुत लोग सिंगल डिजिट में, इज अ मैटर ऑफ ग्रेट कंसर्न. इतनी पढ़ाई के बाद आप लोगों ने अगर आपकी पढ़ाई फोकस में अगर नहीं है, and this is the mark that you are getting, that is very sad. मैंने कहा कुछ लोगों का अच्छा है. 25% have done very well, but the rest of you, the result is pathetic. All right, question number 5. What is it? Prepare a status report. What do you mean by the status report? What do you mean by status report? What is the present scene? For example, if I have to give the status report of your internal exam, what will I write? क्या लिखेंगे हम? आपका अगर इंटरनल एग्जाम के हमको के लिए रिपोर्ट देना है, स्टेटस रिपोर्ट, तो व्हाट विल आई से? व्हाट? हो चुका तो है, लेकिन क्या है स्टेटस? क्या है? सम ऑफ देम, पर्टिकुलरली सम भी नहीं, हम बाय नेम करना पड़ेगा. आई विल हैव टू गिव द मार्क्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट. This is the status report of BCA batch 2. Sorry, BCA second sem. Yes. Okay, you are in first sem. Fine. So then I have to summarize it, and there has to be a discussion also. Like what is lacking, what was good, what are the things to be improved. यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन क्या है? रीड द क्वेश्चन. रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. The problem with most students is that they do not even understand the question. ये बेसिक प्रॉब्लम है ना, क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आता है. If you remain to be out of focus, you will never understand. अगर क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो पहले पता लगाइए कि क्यों समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. There are 90% students who may understand the question, but then there are still 10% who may not be able to understand the question at all. So question number 5 is prepare a status report. मतलब the current scene of your company. ठीक है? A status report of prospective customer to whom the company proposes to send goods in the near future. This already I have discussed it in the last class. Status report of customers बनाना है जिसको आप प्रपोज करेंगे अपनी कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए, भेजने के लिए. ठीक है? तो उसमें क्या लिखेंगे? You are proposing, this is almost like an advertisement. Status report of customers. किसका बनाना है status report? Customers का, who may need your product. For this, you have to know what is report writing. Can anyone tell me what is report writing? How can you write a report? When you're writing a report, there should not be anything which is not true. Supposing I ask you to make a report on a program which you have, a workshop which you have attended, the Python workshop. Can you give me the report of what happened? उसमें क्या क्या चीजें इंक्लूड करोगे? Please speak. टेक्निकल डिटेल्स क्या होगा? कब स्टार्ट हुआ? पाइथन वर्कशॉप, लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था, क्या सीखा आपने? व्हाट इज एक्चुअली पाइथन वर्कशॉप? व्हाट इज द लर्निंग आउटकम? व्हाट वाज टॉट? व्हाट डिड यू लर्न? Everything has to be included in it, plus your some discussions will be there. डिस्कशन का मतलब क्या होता है? पूरे पाइथन वर्कशॉप पे अगर आपको इनफॉर्मली पूछ रहे हैं तो आपका क्या बता सकती कि क्या क्या हुआ था? व्हाट हैपेंड? All right. Switch off the fan. Now I will ask you, what did you learn in the Python workshop? You are making a report. Right now you're doing it orally. I am teaching you how to write a report. It can be anything. It can be a workshop which you have attended and which you have recently attended, which was a Python workshop. Yes, the girls sitting over here. Let us start with you. What did you learn in the workshop? Did you understand the question? I'm asking you to say something about the Python workshop. Anybody in the class? There are 49 students in the class. When you write a report, you will tell what happened. You will include all the things which happened. There will be an introduction. आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि हम क्या पूछ रहे हैं? समझ में नहीं आ रहा या बोलना नहीं आ रहा? कुछ भी नहीं सीखते? बताइए रिपोर्ट राइटिंग क्या क्या होना चाहिए, आपको समझा रहे हैं प्रैक्टिकली. In a report, you will write everything which happened. आपको लिख के दिखाना है हमको. Header question, write a report on the Python workshop you have attended. Keep your microphone muted.
Hello, ma'am.
write a report on the Python workshop which you have attended. Submit this report in the next class. The assignment marks will be added in your report card. Yes? You will submit on my email ID, sanjana@simage.in. Write a report on Python workshop which you have attended recently. sanjana@simage.in. Now, why I have told you to write a report, you will be understanding what is report writing. In it, what will you write? Whatever happened, you will write when it started, when it ended, what was taught, what did you understand, how is it helpful, how will it be beneficial in your career, and in the workshop, are there any suggestions which you want to make? Any suggestions, any problems, discussions? All right. All this should be included. Right? Plus, it will also include the feedback. It means your discussion. So what is the assignment? Hello, you're not even writing down. What is the work? What is the assignment? Yeah. All right. And in this letter, what it is? Prepare a status report. Status report of what? Of prospective customers. Customers which you want to attract, which you want to contact. To whom your company where you're working, जहाँ तुम काम कर रहे हो, वो अपना goods के बारे में मार्केट कर सकता है नियर फ्यूचर में. हाँ, क्या क्वेश्चन है? क्या क्वेश्चन है? लोगों ने वर्कशॉप नहीं किया, ऑप्शनल था, उसको करना है, किसको नहीं करना है. और जिन लोगों ने वर्कशॉप नहीं किया था, अब आपने कुछ भी अटेंड किया है? आप डीप लर्निंग कर रहे हैं क्या? Then you write a report on any book which you have read, any event which you have witnessed. Write a report on internal exam. Fine. Reports can be written on about just anything. Any event which happened, any activity. And how many of you did not attend the workshop? Raise your hands. Did not attend the workshop. Python. क्यों? सब तो किए ही हो फिर? Okay. Fine. और क्या ये पूरे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर चुके थे लास्ट क्लास में. और भी कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बताइए. If there are any more questions that you have? No. No questions. फॉर्मेट क्या रहेगा? फॉर्मेट फर्स्ट पेज रहेगा. द टॉपिक रिपोर्ट ऑन पाइथन वर्कशॉप रिटन बाय योर नेम, सबमिटेड टू जिसको सबमिट कर रहे हो उसका नेम. नेक्स्ट पेज टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. हाँ. थर्ड पेज इंट्रोडक्शन. फोर्थ पेज डिस्कशन. फिफ्थ पेज समरी, सॉरी कंक्लूजन. 5 पेजेस में आ जाता है. ठीक है. अरे फर्स्ट पेज तो टाइटल पेज रहता है ना. The first page is title page. Second, table of contents, what you are going to write. Third page, discussion. And fourth page, the last page will be conclusion. And third page, आपने क्या सीखा वो सब discussion में आ जाएगा. All right, do you have any more questions? टू का बी कौन सा है? दिखाओ टू का बी कहाँ का है? You have to take your classes very seriously. Up till now, whatever you did, that was not acceptable. Except for some. I'm not saying the whole class. Most of you were focused because they have got marks like 57, 56 also. but then there are also some students who have scored very less. So, any more questions that you have? So this question you can also try. Write a letter to the customer. You are a banker. Writing a letter to the customer to open an account in your bank. Start writing it. And in a business communication and maths, these are not theory papers. These are very practical papers. You need to work it out. जब तक आप मैथ्स बनाएंगे नहीं, आप नहीं समझेंगे. बिजनेस इंग्लिश जब तक आप करेंगे नहीं समझेंगे. You are going to learn by doing it. And let it be like a workshop. We will all be doing together. Let it be a writing workshop in your class. I understand. आपका क्लास कम हुआ था, ये बात भी है. Python workshop कर रहे थे आप लोग, क्लास कम हुआ था आपका. But then learning is a continuous process. और फिर कह रहे हो कि बहुत लोगों ने नहीं किया था. जो जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया था उन लोग तो कब से हम क्लास करते हैं. Any more question? इसमें और कोई क्वेश्चंस है? डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. All done. What about analogies? Nothing to discuss. So let us move on with the syllabus, the writing skills. Though it is in the second semester, but writing skills, questions are coming from writing skills, like what is expository writing? What is writing skill? What are the types of writing?
Four types.
There was in a question, expository writing, isn't it? So don't you feel that even if it is in the second semester, the questions are coming in the first semester only. So you need to look up the second semester also. What I feel is that the questions can come from just anywhere. So the writing style is a reflection of his or her personality. When you write something, you are reflecting your own personality, your own character. People say that you are known by what you write. You are known by what you speak. जब आप कुछ लिखते हैं तो आपकी पर्सनालिटी को भी रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं आप. You reflect your personality, your voice when you're speaking, or the ways of approaching an audience, how you want the reader to react. अगर कोई बात आपको मनवानी है, कोई बात आप लिखना चाह रहे हैं, कन्विंसिंग कर रहे हैं, तो उसका राइटिंग स्टाइल कुछ और होता है. That is persuasive writing style. You write in such a way that the reader is convinced and maybe will give you marks. एग्जाम में क्या होता है, कौन सा राइटिंग स्टाइल यूज करते हैं आप? डिस्क्रिप्टिव यूज करते हैं, नरेटिव यूज करते हैं, एक्सपोजिटरी करते हैं, या ऑल करते हैं, या सबसे अधिक पर्सुएसिव करते हैं? कौन सा करते हैं आप? सबसे अधिक आप पर्सुएसिव करते हैं, बिकॉज यू वांट द रीडर टू बी कन्विंस्ड बाय व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग. हम जो लिख रहे हैं सही लिख रहे हैं, और उसको देख करके आपको टीचर्स मार्क्स देते हैं. Yes, you tell me. Any of the girls tell me what are the types of writing styles? Please tell me. Forgot. There are 4 types of writing skills. The first is the informative writing style. And the informative writing style is also called the expository writing style. What do you mean by to inform? When you're writing, you're informing. आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप बस inform कर रहे हैं. जब आप लिख रहे होते हैं कि हमको लीव लेना है, तो आप ये नहीं लिख रहे होते हैं कि हमने हमको क्यों लीव लेना है, और क्यों आर्ग्यू नहीं कर रहे हैं. आपने बस लिख दिया कि मुझे 2 दिन के लिए घर जाना है. It means you are informing the person that for 2 days you will not be coming. यहाँ पर आपको डिस्क्राइब भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, कन्विंस भी नहीं कर रहे हैं कि आप छुट्टी दीजिए हमको. यहाँ पर आप सिर्फ इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. तो द फर्स्ट राइटिंग स्टाइल इज informative writing style. What it is? I have never sat in a class like this. टीचर पढ़ा रहे हैं और ऐसे तो हम कभी बैठे ही नहीं है, हाथ में पेन नहीं है, कॉपी खुली हुई नहीं है. So this is the reason why you're not improving. ठीक है, आपकी किताब में भी है, सब चीज है, but ऐसे आप बैठे हुए हैं. When I'm asking you a question, you will not answer a single question. And when I'm telling you in very simple words, you are not even writing, you are just like this. यही कारण है कि आप नहीं समझ पाते. So the expository writing is also called the informative writing style, wherein you only inform. हम लोग इसको डिस्कस करेंगे अलग अलग से. ये 4 राइटिंग स्टाइल है, अलग अलग तरह से डिस्कस करेंगे, एग्जाम्पल के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे, so that you understand and you will not need any help to write what it is. The second is the persuasive writing style or the argumentative writing style. Second is persuasive, जहां पर आप persuade करते हैं, आप convince करने की कोशिश करते हैं, that the reader can read your content, read your letter or your article and be convinced to take decision in your favor. So this is the argumentative. In argumentative writing style or the persuasive writing style, you try to convince on the pros and cons of a subject. The debatable side of anything. Supposing you are writing about whether mobile should be allowed in the class or not. You are writing that yes, it should not be allowed. Some people are saying it should be allowed. When you are writing this letter, that it should be allowed, what will it should not be allowed, you will write about both the aspects पहले. कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि it should be allowed because of certain reasons. What I feel, it should not be allowed because of certain reasons. And then you will highlight your point so that the decision is taken in your favor. तो आपको कुछ इस तरह से लिखना है, दोनों पक्ष के बारे में लिखने के बाद अपने पक्ष को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना है, so that the decision is taken in your favor. This is the persuasive writing style, or it is also called the argumentative. You argue on the pros and cons of something. And persuasive writing style is very important when you are writing a cover letter. जबकि आप कुछ लिख के कन्विंस करना चाह रहे हैं कि आप कि HR आपका कवर लेटर पढ़ के आपको रिक्रूट करें. There are other examples also persuasive writing style. एक तो हमने बताया डिबेटेबल होता है, जिसमें आप अपना पॉइंट रखते हैं और चाहते हैं कि डिसीजन आपके फेवर में हो. हेलो, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? For people who understand this class as a time pass class, they are very badly mistaken. I will come in the next class with your marks. So the second, argumentative or persuasive. The word persuasive means you have that convincing power. किसी को convince करने की क्षमता आप में है. The third is the descriptive writing style. Descriptive means you are using adjectives. In one of the question paper, there was a question, what is an adjective? And what are the types of adjective? Can anybody answer? आपके business communicative English question में था, what is an adjective and what are the types of adjective? Can anybody answer this question? Yes. Adjective is the word which describes a noun or a pronoun. Describe this classroom. Crowdy. Crowded. There are 14 types of adjectives, which you will be needing to know because it is in your question, and whether it is on your question or not, you must know what is descriptive, what is adjective, because you will not be able to write any descriptive essays. Remind me, I will discuss all the 14 points of 14 types of adjective. Can anyone name one? Yeah, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, tall, taller, tallest, comparatives. He came first in class. What is the adjective over here? Adjective है इसमें कि नहीं? Yes. First. Third. He came first in class. Where is the adjective? नहीं, adjective इसमें है क्या? Yes, the word first is the adjective because it is describing he, noun or a pronoun. He came first. Came तो हो सकता नहीं है, verb है. In हो सकता नहीं है, preposition है. क्लास हो सकता ही नहीं है, कलेक्टिव नाउन है, तो बच गया क्या? फर्स्ट। तो ऐसे ढूंढोगे एडजेक्टिव, नहीं ना? दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑर्डिनल एडजेक्टिव, मतलब जो ऑर्डर में आता है, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, ordinal adjective. When you're talking about dates, today is the first, second, third, यानी कि आज 3 है, 4 को छुट्टी है, 9 को छुट्टी है, नहीं, 9th, 10th, first, ordinal numbers. So, for descriptive writing style, you need to know the adjectives. There are 49 students in the class. What is the adjective? Huh? Okay. Minus me. Minus me. So there are 53 students in the class. Yes, girl, what's her name? What's the adjective? Where is the adjective over here? आप ऐसे ब्लैंक रहोगे ना, जितनी ब्लैंक हमको देखोगे उतनी ही क्वेश्चन हम पूछेंगे. So at least if you look blank, I will ask you more questions. At least look interested. क्या है? Body language क्या है? You're not even in the class. Deep learning में चली गई क्या? You're deep in thoughts in deep learning. हम ऐसे ही खिंचाई करेंगे, pay attention नहीं करेगा तो. हाँ, there are 49 students in the class. 49 is numerical adjective. First was ordinal adjective. 49 is numerical. Right? Whatever. So you need to know all the 14 types of adjectives, which will be quite interesting. When you start writing a passage, when you are asked to write descriptive essays, you will be needing to use the descriptive writing style in your interviews. When you are asked to introduce yourself, and then when the question is, describe your hometown. How will you describe your hometown? So, high time you remain focused from today only. Let it be a good start. Huh? And in the next class, I'll show you the marks. And there's always next time, don't worry. All right, that's it.